but the struggle got me richer than I ever been. Learn to hustle, use your muscle, learn to grind and keep your mind up on the future, man.
Hey everybody, it's Brittany from Dope Christian TV, and you're watching the first episode of Rags or Riches. Today we're going to be talking about the mind of money, so let's get into the video. Since we are talking about the mind of money, there's one key thing that you need to apply to your life, and that is changing your mindset about money intentionally. There are 4 ways you can do this. The first way is to focus on abundance, not lack. If not, you'll place too much energy in creating absolutely nothing. The second one is to be grateful and show gratitude. By doing this, this will help you become more appreciative when the abundance comes. The third way you can change your mindset about money is to start thinking like people who've already done it. Visualize the outcome to help achieve that goal that you have with money. And the fourth way is to treat money like a gift, not a god. This means to not idolize money, just going to work, getting that money. It means to not finding happiness in money, but in God, because God provides you the money. That's what I'm trying to say here, if you can understand. Catch my drift. In conclusion, changing your mindset about money intentionally can be done in the 4 ways. 1. Focus on abundance, not lack. 2. Be grateful and show gratitude. 3. Start thinking like the people who've already done it. And 4. Treat money like a gift, not a god. Alright guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys learned at least one thing that you can take away. If you guys like these type of videos, let me know in the comments below so I can make note of that, and then maybe we can have a part 2. Just let me know. Don't forget to subscribe right here, somewhere over there. Hit the subscribe button. Go ahead. And then don't forget to hit the bell right next to the subscribe button so you can get notified every time we upload a video. So thank you for having me, and I will see you next Friday at noon. Bye guys.
It's finna go down already. Fitted. Slicing the bread, machete. And it go down already. Get fitted, chini. Then I give the fitted, chini.